What is up everybody, this is Ronny, and in today's video I'm going to teach you several ways to work with video from Canva. So let's jump right into it. Let's open a document. I'm going to choose the presentation document. Okay, so create a design, presentations. And now I have a blank canvas presentation style, and I chose the presentation because this is the classic format for video, though nowadays we see a bunch of vertical videos, of square videos, so it doesn't really matter which kind of format you choose, but for the sake of this tutorial I will be using the presentation one. So in this video I want to show you several ways to import video into Canva and to work with video directly from Canva. Okay, so the first way, I would say the classical way of using video with Canva is to head over to the little tab right here. So this is a relatively new feature in Canva. Since end of last year we can now work with videos. So the first of course source for your videos is the media library, the video media library. So if you click on videos you will see a collection of different video clips, right? And they are organized by categories. So there is not much new into that. Something else you can do is simply click on the upload button, and then you can upload a video directly from your computer, right? So I have one here on my desktop, and for the purpose of this tutorial I chose one which is relatively light because it does take some time to upload your video into Canva. So let's upload this clip right here. It will be uploaded here and it will show under your uploaded media, and there will be a second tab which is video. So you have your traditional images and then your video. Okay, so you see Canva will upload it. Depending on your internet connection it will be faster or slower, but then it will also need to process it. Okay, so now it's processed. If I click on it, it inserts my video into my document, right? So that's the first way I would say of working with video. There are other ways that can be faster and more practical to use, to be honest. So let me show you a couple of them. For this, you will have to head over to the three dot section right here that says more. Okay, so once you click on that, the first one I want to show you is the embeds button right here. So if you click on that, embed media in your design. So you can copy and paste a web link to your favorite online media to embed it in your design. So for this, I want to show you different things. I want to show you how to embed a YouTube and a Facebook video, for example. Okay. So everybody's talking about coronavirus these days. Let's not use this example. Let's take a video from NAS Daily. Okay, so you are on Facebook and you see a video in your feed. So let's go directly to the feed. Actually, we don't need to do it from the watch tab. I just need to find a video in my feed. Here is a video of one of my friends. So I can right click on the video. Okay, show video URL. And then I click on that and I simply copy it. Okay, copy. That's one way of doing it. Otherwise, you can hover over the little duration here, 10 hours. You right click on this, copy, save link, copy link address. Those are two different ways of copying the same link. So now I'm heading back to Canva and I will paste my link right here into this box and add to design. And you will see that Canva will embed this video in my design. Okay, so that's the second way of doing it. And you can do this for all sorts of media, not only video, but also Instagram posts, GIFs, TED Talks, Vimeo, music, Spotify, Twitter, everything really that you can grab the link from the internet and you can copy it here. Canva will help you have a nice embed of this media right here. So that's pretty cool. And then the last way of doing it is to click on the more button, and then you can use some of these apps, right? If they are connected to your Canva. So if I click on YouTube, for example, I can either scroll and see some of the videos here. So the suggestions will of course be generated depending on what you are used to watching on YouTube. Or you can search. I can search for Canva. Let's say Canva. and I can find videos. I can find one of Ronny's videos. If you click on it, it will also embed it to your design right here. So these are three different ways for you to work with video, to import video media into your Canva documents. And now the only thing I need to show you is to present this document, no transition, to show you that every bit of media we inserted in the document are actually working, all the videos. So this is the first one, the video we uploaded natively into Canva. This is the second one we grabbed from Facebook.
What is up, people? So
working, and this is the one we generated with the YouTube app. Hello everybody, this is Ronny, and today we are going to discuss the... Alright, so that's what I wanted to show you in this video, 3 different ways to embed and to use video in your Canva designs. I hope this was useful. And that's it. That's the end of the video. You can watch one of the other videos. I will have some thumbnails popping up on screen if you're watching this on YouTube, so don't hesitate to click on that. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, you can also do so by clicking on the circle icon with the name of the channel. And for the rest, I wish you a very good day, and I will see you in the next video.